All right, part two, let me show you how I wrapped it.
Okay, before we get into part two, let's do a quick recap of part one. This Box Chevy dash was completely cracked from years of heat and sun damage. Most people would have replaced it, but I want to see if I can actually save it. So first, I put the dash out the car, ground all the damaged areas down, then I started to build the cracks using body filler and sanding everything smooth little by little. By the end of part one, the dash was finally starting to come back to life, but we still have more work to do. So in part two, let's see if this thing can actually turn out clean. And if you missed part one, it's linked in the description. So before we get into this, I've been reading the comments. A lot of y'all been saying that Bondo's gonna crack or you shouldn't be using body filler on dashboards. But after y'all see what I'm about to do next, some of y'all gonna owe me an apology in the comment section. Because once I add my secret weapon to this dash, this thing ain't cracking no time soon. Let me show y'all.
This right here is what gives the dash a smooth, soft touch, but it'll also expose anything you messed up on before.
Okay, right here, I'm just sanding it a little bit. You have to scuff up the top layer or it's not gonna stick. So once the top layer is completely scuffed up, we can go ahead and apply it to the dash. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is start with 80 grits on the edge to get those smooth. In body work, we call this a feather edge. That way we won't see any lumps when we wrap the material over. After that, I'm gonna do the same thing to the front and the back of the dashboard. I'm just taking my 80 grit and just smoothing it out. Oh yeah, you definitely want to get around the speaker grills. Okay, now we're gonna get some 180 and we're gonna do the same thing we did to the backside. Right here, we're just scuffing it up so we can make sure the glue stick. You do not wanna leave closed cell shiny because nothing will stick to it. So we're pretty much scuffing it up to take off the top layer. Right here, I'm just taking that 180 to those edges I'm just making sure they're 100% smooth, because if you don't, you'll definitely see a lump through the vinyl when you wrap it.
All right, so I put marks because I'm gonna try the float technique where I'm just gonna glue it in here. I'm gonna glue it in here. We got a crease here, so I'm gonna glue it in there. Probably on the sides. And I'm gonna glue it on the rear. And then glue it on the sides. Of course, we're gonna do underneath. So that way we ensure it's gonna be 100% smooth. Cause over here ain't gonna have no glue, but it's gonna be pulled tight, so it's gonna float over. This is the final step. Now we're about to wrap it.
I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from ExclusiveCoversUSA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install.
And just like we rebuilt this dashboard, we also redid the seats and the vinyl top on this car too. So if you want to watch us transform the top next, that video is going to be right here on the left side of the screen. And if you want to learn more about upholstery, custom interiors, dashboard repair, seat wraps, vinyl tops, and everything that goes into these builds, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're about to start dropping multiple videos every single week and giving away all the game